Hello, welcome back, my dear friends, to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. So, today we'll have Gujarati alphabets. And, guys, just for your information, we already learned couple of Gujarati alphabets in previous session. So, if you have missed, you can refer that again. And just one more information I would like to add is today we are going to finish all the Gujarati alphabets, like almost. So, please watch this video till end. So let's start with our session with these three Gujarati alphabets. The very first is P, then P, then B. P means PA, P means FA, and B means BA. So let's start with P. So if you see with P, we have couple of words over here. Pakadvu means catch. Pakadvu means catch. Then Paksi means bird. Then Pagar means salary. So if you see, each word started with P. P-A. Okay, I am repeating. Catch means Pakadvu. Bird means Pakshi. And salary means Pagar. Then P. So with P we have the very first is Phakro means paragraph. Then Faraj means duty. Then Farajiyat means compulsory. So if you see again, this each word started with P. F-A-F. I am repeating. Paragraph means Fakro. Duty means faraj, compulsory means farajiyat. The next one is ba. So with ba, the first word here is bagad means waste. Bagad means waste. Then bachat means save. Bachat means save. Then batvo means purse. Batvo means purse. So if you see again, here this word started with B. B-A, B. I am repeating. Waste means bagad, save means bachat, and purse means batvo. So we'll have three more Gujarati alphabets over here. In that, very first is B, then M, then Ya. Okay, B means B-H-A, B. Then M, M-A, M. Then Ya, Y-A, Ya. So we have three more words with B, B-H-A, B. So the very first is Bhantar means education. Bhantar means education. Then Bhattu means allowances. Bhattu means allowances. Then Bhai means fear. So if you see, these three words started with B. B-H-A, B. Bhantar means education. Bhattu means allowances. And Bhai means fear. I am repeating. Education means Bhantar, allowances means Bhattu, and fear means Bhai. The very next is Ma. So with Ma, we have three more words. So the very first is Makan means house. Makan means house. Then Majur means labor. Majur means labor. Matadar means water. Matadar means water. I am repeating. House means makan, labor means majur, and water means matadar. So if you see here, all words started with M-A, Ma. Makan means house. Majur means labor. Matadar means water. This is water. not the water. Okay, the next one is ya. So here the very first is Yajman, means host. Yajman means host. Then Yantra means machine. Yantra means machine. Then Yash means glory. Yash means glory. So if you see again here, this all word started with ya. Ya. So here the very first is host means Yajman, machine means Yantra, and glory means Yash. We have three more Gujarati alphabets. In that, very first is R, R-A, R. Then L, L-A, L. Then V, V-A, V. The very first is R-A, R. Then L-A, L, and V-A, V. So here we have three words with R. In that, the very first is Rakam, means amount. Then Raja means holiday. Then Rad means rejected. I am repeating. Amount means Rakam, holiday means Raja, and rejected means Rad. So if you see, this all word started with R, R-A, R. In that very first is Rakam means amount, Raja means holiday, and Rad means rejected. Here we have three words with LA. In that very first is Lakvo, means paralysis. Then Laksha means goal. Then Lagna means marriage. I am repeating. Paralysis means Lakvo, goal means Laksha, marriage means Lagna. So if you see guys, these three words started with L, L-A, L. In that the very first is Lakvo means paralysis, Laksha means goal, Lagna means marriage. I am repeating. Paralysis means Lakvo, goal means Laksha, and marriage means Lagna. So here we have three words with V, V-A, V. In that the very first is Vakil, means advocate. Then Vajan means weight. Then Vadhu means more. I am repeating. Advocate means Vakil, weight means Vajan, and more means Vadhu. So if you see guys, this all word started with V, V-A, V. I am repeating. Vakil means advocate, Vajan means weight, Vadhu means more. I am repeating. Advocate means Vakil, weight means Vajan, and more means Vadhu. So here three more Gujarati alphabets. In that the very first is Sh, S-H-A, Sh. Then S, S-A, S. Then H, H-A, H. In that the very first is Shakti, means power. Shakti means power. Then Shakya means possibility. Shakya means possibility. Then Shatru means enemy. Satru means enemy. So if you see guys, this all word started with Sh, S-H-A, Sh. In that the very first is Shakti, means power. Sakya means possibility, and Satru means enemy. I am repeating. Power means Shakti, possibility means Shakya, and enemy means Satru. The next one is Sa, and with Sa we have these three words over here. In that the very first is Sakhat, means hard. Next one is Sagwad, means facility. Sagwad means facility. The next one is Sagir, means minor. Sagir means minor. So I'm repeating. Hard means sakhat. Facility means sagwad. Minor means sagir. So if you see guys, this all word started with sa. S-A, sa. So I'm repeating once more time. Sakhat means hard. Sagwad means facility. Sagir means minor. I'm repeating. Hard means sakhat. Facility means sagwad, and minor means sagir. The next one is her, and with her here we have three words, and from that the very first is haq means rights. Haq means rights. Then hakikat means fact. Hakikat means fact. The next one is hadtal means strike. Hadtal means strike. I'm repeating. Rights means haq. Haq. Rights means haq. Then fact. Fact means hakikat. Then strike. Strike means hadtal. So if you see guys, this all word started with ha. H-A, ha. I'm repeating. Rights means haq. Fact means hakikat, and strike means hadtal. Thank you my dear friends to watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoying and learning Gujarati very well. If you like this video, click the like button, share with your friends so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. See you again. Jai Shri Krishna.